Hey guys, welcome to Nate's Carving Creations. Today, I'm gonna touch up a couple turtles. They're carved. Now, I'm gonna do some sanding, buffing, and oiling, okay? So, first up, I'm gonna, my goal is to bring out all the tones that were added to the wood from the heat of the burn. Okay, I don't want a coal mining turtle. I want a colorful, lighter colored finished sculpture. Okay, so I'm gonna do some low power sanding. Just yeah, I'm not gonna apply hardly any pressure at all. Okay, and I'm probably also going to be using some steel wool and sanding sponges. Okay, so I'm going to do a slower time lapse, and here we go. Okay, so now I've got some some different colors popping up. I've hit them both with the sanding drum. Now I'm gonna buff it, high speed buff. Okay. Okay, now I'm using the steel wool. So that really cuts through and brings out the contrast better than the felt buffing sponges, and it's easier to control than the sanding drums with the Dremel. So I highly recommend it. Okay, so I got the oil on the turtles now. So now I'm going to use a buffing pad, and I slowed my Dremel down. So now I'm going to start working the canola oil down into the wood. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to use my torch on a on a very low setting to try to get a head start on drying the oil out. Okay, so here I'm doing a final buff on both the turtles after I dried out the oil, or actually I think I just burn off the excess actually. So
That's all that's happening here.
All right, guys, well, there's that turtle finished. And that turtle finished. All right, so I love you guys. Oh, hey, we are at 200 subscribers. Okay, so next Tuesday, July the 5th, is the live drawing for a free wood spirit, okay? It's the 200 subscriber giveaway. All right, so if you haven't already, watch my short live video called Instructions for the Giveaway, or something to that extent, and comment yes if you want in on the drawing, if you want a shot at a free wood spirit. So the only thing it could cost is international shipping if you're not a U.S. citizen, or within the U.S., I'm sorry. But anyhow, thanks for watching. I love y'all. Y'all are awesome. Keep watching, sharing, commenting, and all that stuff. And let's see where this thing, see where this crazy train ends up taking us. So, until next time, keep on carving. Peace out.